Yeah, they talking about my shoes. It's like, yo, some Bobos, but yo, when you in the crater in the mountain in Japan, looking at shit like this, or the beach in a crater in the mountain in Japan, looking at motherfucking shit like this here, player. Shit, Bobos. The waterproof Bobos is on point, yo. Come on, man. Shit. Next to what looks like a damn forest preserve. I feel like, this is like all things in one. If you want to go hiking, bicycling, walking, go to the beach, if you want to go to the ocean or water, a lake, or if you want to take a boat ride, got a ferry right there. If you want to go to restaurants, stay over here. We just came from some. It's serious business, man. Stop playing in Japan, man. It's going down, baby boy. Or girl. Come on, man. It's beautiful.